See this question, an ellipse has been given to you and there are two foci which are these, and they're also telling which one is positive and which one is negative. Let's read more. P1 and P2 are two parabolas with the common vertex at origin with foci f10 and 2f20 respectively. Okay, let's start drawing things now. Okay, so you have this ellipse, okay, which has foci f10. F1 is positive, so I'm going to make f1 right here, f1 comma 0, and the other one is f2 comma 0. These are foci of, if you want you can draw the ellipse also, but not needed much. Okay, so but let me just finish that. Okay, so this is your ellipse. Okay, now next they are saying that you have two parabolas p1 and p2. So one has foci as f1, so you just draw, this is the parabola p1, and the other parabola you have is P2, which has foci to be 2f2. Okay, so you have to move a little more here. Okay, because this is 2f2 comma 0, and that is the foci, so you will have a parabola something like that. Okay, so this is P2. Okay, now what are they doing? They're drawing tangents, you see. T1 is a tangent to P1 which passes through 2f2. Okay, so you are going to draw a tangent to P1 which is passing through this. Let's do that. So this is my tangent, okay, like this. Okay, so this is my T1 tangent. You are going to draw another tangent, okay, T2 be tangent to P2 which passes through F10. Okay, so here you are going to draw a tangent which should pass. Okay, let me draw like that. Okay, so it should be okay, it's not touching, let us make it touch here. Okay, suppose it is touching here, so this is your tangent T2. Okay, now they're saying m1 is the slope of the tangent 1 and m2 is the slope of tangent 2. Then you have to get this value. Quite a simple question, right? You just need to get the foci, isn't it? Okay, what are the foci for this ellipse? Okay, what's the coordinate of foci? Yeah, plus minus ae comma 0. A is what? Semi major axis, right? In our case, it is 3. So you have plus minus 3 times. Okay, I don't know the eccentricity of this ellipse. Can you get the eccentricity? E square is 1 minus b square by a. That's the formula. Okay, 1 minus b is what? B square is what? 5. Okay, 5 upon a square, 9. So you get 4 over 9, and then e value you got to be 2 over 3. As simple. So you're going to have 2 over 3. So what is that value? Plus minus 2 comma 0. So your f10 is what? 2 comma 0, and your 2f2, okay, forget about this because we are not saying anything about that. 2f2 is how much? Minus 4. Okay, minus 4 comma 0. Correct? Okay, now tell me equation of this parabola p1. Okay, because just now you said that a value is 2, right? That's the foci. A value is 2, so the parabola would be y square is 4 times a times x. Okay, so y square is 8x is your p1 parabola. Get p2 parabola as well. What did you say about A for P2 parabola? This is the focus, right? And just now you said 2f2 is minus 4. So A is minus 4. Okay, so your parabola will be y square is equal to 4 times A times x. Okay, so y square is equal to minus 16x is your other parabola. Got it? Okay. Now the only thing you have to do is write equation of tangents. Okay, so let's write T1 equation. Okay, so T1 equation, how does it look like for a parabola? Hmm? It looks like this, right? Y is equal to what? The slope of the tangent is m1, m1 x plus a by m1. You know that. What are you going to do? Replace a, right? Because you know a is 2 here. This. What should I do now? You know that t1 is passing through this point, right? P minus 4 comma 0. So you are going to insert that value. Okay, which value? Minus 4 and 0, because it is passing through that focus. Okay, this point it is passing through. Let's put that. So 0 is equal to m1 times minus 4 is equal to 2 times, plus 2 by m1. Solve it for m1. What do you get? You are getting m1 square is equal to half. Let's keep that because anyways you are going to need squares. Okay, so this is what you get. What? Exactly the same thing, right? For the other one. Okay, you're going to write equation of tangent T2. Okay, how does that look again? The same. Okay, y is equal to, here the slope is m2. So m2x plus a value is minus 4. Okay, so let me write minus. Okay, minus 4 by m2. What are you going to put now here? The point where it is T2 is passing through. What point? This point, right? 2 comma 0. Okay, so put 2 comma 0 here. What do you get? Y 0. Okay, so you get 2 m2 is equal to 4, minus 4 upon m2. So what is m2 value you get? You're getting m2 square to be 2, right? Done. Okay, what are they asking? They're just asking what is 1 upon m1 square plus m2 square. Okay, what is that? 1 upon m1 square, that's 2. And what's m2 square? That's also 2. And you got the value to be 4. Quite a simple question, right? Okay, see you with another one.